guys, ALEC Peirce at the ranch, having fun out here with my drone. We used it one time to find a lost calf out in a big pasture, and I use it to check on the hay and look around the property. It's really just for fun, but I pretend it's work. And right now, I'm checking the top of our flagpole. Dan is going to show you that now. We have a very, very tall flagpole, 52 feet tall, that flagpole, with a monstrous flag on it. It is the Ontario, province of Ontario crest. I'm going to bring it down a little bit closer to the flag. There we go. See that? And so right now I'm just checking because it's been a long time since I had that flagpole down. And I'm a little concerned about the pulley that's on it. And you can see here what I'm seeing on the screen. I'm not that concerned about it right now because it seems to me that it's pretty good. I was going to see if I needed a new pulley, but I do not. I might change the rope. I have an entirely new rope for the flag. So I think we're going to, that's what I'm using this for today. It's just a nice use for the drone. And now that we're finished up there, let me just go over there, is our windmill. I'm going to go down and take a look at that. I guess I should say that's the windmill tower. It's not much of a windmill because, as you can see from this video, there's nothing on the top. That's because we had a storm just a little while ago, and my windmill, after almost 40 years, but it looks pretty good. And that's the stub up there all ready to go on the platform that we climb in order to work on the windmill. You see the steps up the leg of the windmill that we use to climb on the platform. And then, okay, so where's the windmill? Well, let's see if I can show you the windmill. On the ground. Doesn't belong on the ground. It's not supposed to be on the ground, is it? Oh, there it is on the ground. Now I've lost the, that's all been restored now. New parts that we needed. And the nicely painted BD Pumper. That's the name of this windmill. BD Pumper, made right here in Ontario. Hopefully when that crane arrives tomorrow, we'll get this thing back up on top of the tower. Just a quick look around. Yes, it's pretty special. There's no question about it. This is what we see when we look out our window. Basically, nothing. Which is perfect. Pretty much perfect for us. We don't mind that one little bit. A little view of the ranch. There is the barn. The horses are out there. The garage, the drive-in shed. And of course our house, very comfortable, heat with wood. You see the chimney on top, and Dana's beautiful garden is her vegetable garden. Pretty good. Lakes in all directions. It's just a really beautiful place to live. We enjoy it very much. We'll go over and see the horses, shall we? There's our good old Chili, our big black standard, Winnie the donkey. There you go, guys. ALEC Peirce at the ranch using his drone to check on things around. And it's a lot of fun, first of all. I call it work. Anyway, talk to you soon.